Today, we're diving into the world of projector lamps with the original genuine ET-LAD120 replacement lamp. Designed for a range of Panasonic models including the PT-DX100, PT-DZ870, and PT-DW830 series, this lamp promises high performance and longevity. With a wattage of 100 watts, it boasts a lifespan of 4,000 to 5,000 hours, ensuring extended use without frequent replacements. What sets this lamp apart is its OEM bulb encased in a quality housing, guaranteeing optimal performance and compatibility. Whether you're using it in educational settings, business presentations, or home theater setups, the ET-LAD120 delivers consistent brightness and clarity. Backed by a 365-day warranty and a promise of tested quality before delivery, it offers peace of mind for any buyer. Installing the lamp is straightforward, fitting seamlessly into compatible Panasonic projectors. Its construction emphasizes durability, minimizing the risk of damage during shipment. For those prioritizing reliability and performance, the original genuine ET-LAD120 replacement lamp stands out as a top choice, ensuring you get the best out of your Panasonic projector investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.